Hello, good evening. So now we can start the class. So I think I have already shared the slides for that Primavera lectures. So today we are going to start this Primavera. And I think today, so we have already did a small part on the Primavera, but we didn't complete. While we are doing that, we start this MS project and we have completed that 90% of MS project. And I gave an assignment to you, and I think you are doing and working on that assignment. Once you complete that assignment, you can send me. So after that, we can discuss especially the delay analysis and the cash flow analysis based on your assignment. So for that, you have to submit the assignment. Based on that, I can get that idea whether you have got that. You have the capability to prepare a program based on the BOQ and the others. Based on the BOQ, whether you have the capability to prepare a program, and from that program, you can get this cash flow and these other allocations and what are the things that we have learned from that program. I can identify it whether you have got the point. So that is very useful for us to go to this, to move to the next steps for the BIM 4D, for Navisworks. So under that, the next steps is we are going to start the Primavera sessions from today onwards. Then we have already started the basic things about the Primavera. Sometimes today I'm not going to go deep. I'm just going to refresh the mind, and I'm going to do the self works. And today I'm not going to continuously doing that. I'll ask you to do, and also the students, I think only 2 or 3 are came today, only 2 are here. So the balance students also, because I feel that I'm just doing for 2 hours and I'm sending the videos, but I didn't receive until you only 4 or 5 students. So there are more than 30 to 40 are requesting the links, but I received that completed works only from 4 to 5. In that also I have identified some kind of mistakes. So that's why today let the students to do that. Just I am showing the sample and telling the steps, and I'll give a break nearly 5 to 10 minutes. So today that the students who are attending that can do with me, and others also, while during the video I'll post the videos to 5 minutes to 10 minutes. With that time period, you have to complete. So if you go with the video without just watching the video while doing your work or assignment with this video, in the final end of that video, you can complete the program. Especially today, we are going to cover the Primavera. Earlier we have did that. How to open the Primavera, and how to put that enterprises in the project, and how to from that move to the work breakdown structure. From that work breakdown structure, how to prepare the activities related to the project. And also I gave a sample program, so the MS project and the Primavera as a common program, and ask you to give some duration and ask you to enter that program. And also some main part that already we have completed regarding the calendar. The main part is the calendar. I think we already did the calendar part. So today I just do a sample program, and with that, please do the program. Then finally, and also especially today, we'll do that how to link that same thing what we did in the MS project, the predecessor and successor. Once we link the predecessor and successor only, we can prepare the complete program with this complete package. So that part we are going to do today. So better please open your that MS project file, sorry, that PowerPoint presentations. I think that I shared through that email as well as through the Tilnes WhatsApp group. So please open that and open your Primavera project. So can you see my screen, this MS project screen?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, MS project, not Primavera screen, no?
Yes.
All right, okay. So now I think you have having that PowerPoint presentation that I sent you. So according to that presentation, today the session 6 and the second slide, there is a task that you have started. Create a project name, it's building construction, and create and assign a project calendar to the project, which has 6 working days per week, 10 hours of working time. Give holidays as 13 July 2002, 15 September 2002, 2nd October. And likewise, I gave some days. So now we can start these activities. So you also can do that along with me. And then finally, we can complete the file. So I just tried because otherwise if I start to do that one by one, it's sometimes it make time. That's why I already did that. But no matter, then again we can do that. So as I mentioned you, when you this why I'm telling this MS project and the Primavera is user interface is totally different. So for that you have to more practice on this Primavera, doing number of programs only. You can just get a idea how we can easily move into this Primavera. So first steps, that whatever the steps we have to do, if you are going to start a new project, and we have learned about that regarding the enterprises project structures and the obvious project structure. So if you are, this is a company, yes, first we have to select that enterprises project structures. So according to the presentation, they gave that the creator project name, it's building construction, and assign calendar. So you had to prepare any enterprise with under which category, we have to prepare this program. So that means if there's a company having number of projects, and also and you are working for number of companies, you need to different kind of enterprises project structures. So that's why, because in MS this Primavera we can handle number of project in a same place. So first, whatever the project you are going to start, first check whether what is the so just we have to go to the enterprise project structure, and you will start a new, go to the add and start a new it is Primavera session 6. And also I'm being taking this as clicking this shift left and as a new so now here I am having a new enterprises. So whatever the things I'm going to do, it is coming under this, not only the my previous programs. In previous programs we have a lot of things, so that's why I'm going to start a new enterprises. So under this enterprises, now we have to start our project. So this is the project. So now they have So they're asking what is the so we asked the project name that already we gave that building construction. So give that name as building construction. And next project planned start date 10th July. Okay, I will give that 11 July from tomorrow. And not finish date at this moment, no need. And the responsible manager. So this is we have did that. Please refer the previous videos. I did that one session in OBS. What is the difference between this OBS and enterprises resource structures? So just refer that difference between this OBS and OBS. Under the OBS only we discuss how we can allocate. Then for an examples under this main project, I am having the company. If you take this company is calling as a ABC construction company, so they can have more than 4 to 5 projects under that. So our project is the building construction project, so that's we are going to do. So that project we need special organizations from the project manager to site manager to staff. So in that time we have to allocate who is the responsible manager. So we can go and set, if you have already set under that our OBS, then we can allocate who is the person going to do that rate and everything. We don't need with this. So now we have created our project building constructions. Then what we have to do from that, we told that we are going to start our work breakdown structures. So just go and see your the PowerPoint presentation. In that I gave that work breakdown codes, WBS codes as foundation, external construction, and then I gave that internal constructions, services, plumbing, electrical works, yard access. There are 5 WBS code. You can find that. So based on that, now you have to prepare your WBS activities here. So same things that you have to go to the new project and you have to click, automatically it will come, and just go and check the what is the number code. I gave that number one called foundation. Then again we have to go to this new project and you have to add an activity, and second activity is called external construction. So these things we did in the previous classes, how we can prepare the project and the so we have already within කලින්ුත් අපි කරා කොහොමද මේ Primavera වලින් project එකක් start කරලා ඒ project වලට WBS එකක් type link කරලා ඒ WBS එකෙන් කොහොමද activity යන්නේ කියලා. ඒකම තමයි දැන් අදත් මම ඔයාලට කරන්න කියන්නේ. දැන් Primavera වලට අපි මෙතනින් ගිහිල්ලා enterprise කියලා අලුත් enterprise structure එකක් open කරලා ඒක ඇතුළේම project එකක් දුන්නා, අලුත් project building construction කියලා කියපු project එකක්. ඒ අදාළ ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එකට තමයි තියෙන්නේ අපි ඒ අදාළ ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එකට තියෙන මොනද WBS ටික ඕපන් කරලා දෙන ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එක කියලා රයිට් ක්ලික් කරලා ඕපන් ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් කියපුවම ඒ අදාළ එකට ඇක්ටිවිටිස් ටිකයි ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එකේ WBS ටිකක් එනවා. ඒ WBS වලින් අපි දැන් පළවෙනි එකම දුන්නා ෆවුන්ඩේෂන් එකක්. දෙවෙනි එක එක්ස්ටර්නල් කන්ස්ට්‍රක්ෂන්. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයාලා ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එක තියෙනවා. දැන් බෝල්ඩ් කරලා තියෙනවනේ. Activity WKS code 3 එකේ තියෙන internal construction 4 services 4.1 plumbing 4.2 electrical 5 yard access. එහෙම මේ පහම දැන් ඔයාලා ටයිප් කරලා WBS එක සෙට් කරන්න ඕනේ. මේ දැන් මම ඔයාලට විනාඩි 5ක් වගේ දෙන්නම්. මේ අර WBS එක ටයිප් කරලා කම්ප්ලීට් කරලා VVCN1 එක දැන් මම නිකන් BC අර බිල්ඩින් කන්ස්ට්‍රක්ට් කියපු නිසා ගියේ. ඔයාලත් මේ නම් ටික මාර්ග මේ ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් ඇතුළේ ගිහිල්ලා මෙතනින් තියෙන එකට ඩබල් ක්ලික් කරලා ඔයාලට කැමති නමක් මෙතන දෙන්න පුළුවන්. BC හරි දැන් මම already BC කියලා ටයිප් කරපු නිසා BCN කියලා දැම්මා. ඔයාලා BC කියලාම නම දාන්න. ඒක කොහොමද අපි අර ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එක අපි එක්සර්සයිස් එකකින් දාලා බිල්ඩින් කන්ස්ට්‍රක්ෂන් කියලා දාන්න කියපු නිසා BC කියලාම දාගෙන යන්න. ඒකට WBS එක ප්‍රිපෙයාර් කරන්න WBS පහම මේක ටයිප් කරන්න ටයිප් කරලා ඇක්ටිවිටීස් වලට ගිහිල්ලා අපි ඊටු ඇක්ටිවිටීස් ටිකත් එන්ටර් කරගෙන යමු මේ කොයිද start the project analysis purpose activity ID එකක් දැන් මම මේක කරන්න හේතුව මට සමහර ළමයිත් එක්ක assignment ටික submit කරලා assignment නෙමෙයි කලින් දුන්න work ටික submit කරලා තිබ්බා ඉතින් ගොඩක් essential parts වල missing වෙලා තිබ්බා ඒ කියන්නේ activity IDs හරියට clearly mention කරලා තිබ්බත් නෑ WBS code mention කරලා තිබ්බත් නෑ. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ Primavera MS project එකෙන්ද මේ වගේ දේවල් activity ID W code එකක් හරියට Primavera වලින් enter කරලා තිබ්බ නැත්නම් අපිට ගොඩක් අමාරු link කරන එක especially predecessor successor link කරන එක ගොඩක් අමාරු. අනිත් මේ අර softwares වගේ නෑ. ඒක නිසා තමයි මම ආපහු මේක කරන්න ඕනේ කියලා මට හිතුනේ. අර වගේ issues ටික මම දැක්ක නිසා. ඒ නිසා දැනට මම ඔයාලට විනාඩි 5ක් දෙන්නම් WBS ටික ඉස්සරහා එන්ටර් කරන්න. ඊට පස්සේ අපි ඇක්ටිවිටීස් වලට move කරමු. මේ මම හිතනවා දැන් ඔයාලා අර කම්ප්ලීට් කරලා ඇති කියලා කොයිද breakdown structures ටික ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් ඔයාලා දැන් හරියට ක්ලික් ලින්ක් කරලා තිබ්බනා ඔයාලට මේ වගේ work breakdown structure එකක් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ. BC1 foundation, BC2 external construction, BC3 internal, BC4 services, BC4.1 again under the services plumbing and electrical works, finally yard access. So these kind of activities you should I think you also got like this in this manner. If you didn't get, just tell me, or I think then we can move to the next steps. So, and we learned that according to this MS project, first we have to do the enterprises, and then you have to set up the project. That means under this, once you select that project, just right click and open project. Automatically, they'll show the related WBS and the activities. Now you have to move to the activities, because if you so you have a program like this in WS, because in this program I didn't do that. So you have activities like this without anything, just on the foundation, external construction, and some other activities. So now we have to start include the activities. For an example, if you go to the foundation, then go to the foundation and click that at activity, then they'll give that activity code A0 and new activities. If you go to your that India, I will give a code BCFN 1000. So you can type in the activity code like that, BCFN 1000. And also for that, we gave that project name, so activity name as activities name as start project. And also under the duration, you have to give the duration as here no start project 0 durations. So give the duration as 0. Same as you had under the foundation, next activities. If you go that BCFN, that is 100, automatically they will show that 100. And analysis is the purpose of the building. You have to type analysis is the purpose of the buildings. Analyze the purpose of the building. And no need to go to that, then directly just give that, otherwise it's waste of time. So and then check the duration according to presentation, 5 days. Okay. Then go to the third one. Third one under the foundation, the third activity is 10020 and search site for construction. And here duration is 30 days. Okay. And now you can start to complete the balance works. And same as now already you have the work breakdown structures. Under the work breakdown structures, you have 5 work breakdown structures, and each and every work breakdown structure, as per the presentations, there are a number of kind of activities. I think nearly 20 or 25 activities. You can enter this. So, and this is only that for this classroom. That is a classroom, and just to remind the previous session about this. Primavera, and getting the idea, and with the knowledge about that, just how to start, how to move to the next steps. But just do this along today with myself, and practice this, and based on this you have to apply this to the file what I gave to the previous session. So what are the things that you did in this MS project? So MS project, I gave you a program. For a classroom also I gave a program, as well as the assignment also I gave a program. So at this moment you don't need to do that assignment program, but for the classroom exercise I gave a program. For that item also I asked you to just complete that program and send me. uh, do that programs like this, same as just prepare these activities and duration include. And today, today's sessions, we will learn how to link that, how to give the predecessors and successes for the activities. And based on that, you have to give the predecessors and successes for that program. Not only for this program, you have to do that relationship for that the program that I gave in the first class for this Primavera. Also, you have to do that. Primavera class start කරනකොටම ඒ slide එක බලනකොට අන්තිමටම දීලා ඇති මේ වගේ assignment task එකක් sequence ටිකක් දීලා මේක activities වලින් enter කරන්න කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ ඒකට ඔයාලම හිතලා මොන activity කලින් එන්න ඕනේ කියලා ඔයාලම හිතලා program එකක් හදන්න කියලා. ඒ දෙක පොඩක් කරගෙන යන්න. මේ දැනට වල මේක දැන් මම assignment එක මේකෙන් දුන්නා වගේ activities ටික enter කරගෙන යන්න.